Hey everyone, excuse me. Hey everyone, Ken. This is Ken from Affiliate Incomes, and today I want to show you a quick little tutorial on how to put in your own custom widget on the side of your on your sidebars. And your sidebar, if you're not really too familiar, is where your pages and recent posts. And down here, I've got my Pinterest put into it. What I want to do is I'm going to put a custom widget right in through here. I've already picked out a few things that I'll tell you about that I picked them already done and picked them out already. What I want to do is I want to create a custom widget to go to my affiliate program. Also, my affiliate program today that I'm going to work on is my Wealthy Affiliate program. And what I want to do is create a custom banner that's unique to me, or my own kind of banner that I want to produce. And I want it to go to my Wealthy Affiliate link right here. So what I want to do first, I want to go into my dashboard. And what I want to do, I'm going to make this custom widget a little bit more versatile than some of the ones that you're getting. And what I like to do is go into my pages. You can do it in posts, and you can do it in your categories, but I find that it's a little bit easier to do it if you do it into your pages, into your WordPress program. So if you go in here, you go into pages and create a new page. What you're going to do is you're going to be taking whatever custom picture you want, whether it be a photo, whether it be some kind of wording. I'm going to use today, from under my business, which is actually my file here. I have this widget that I made up. It's not actually a widget. It's from Cool Text. And you can make these up and download them and copy them and everything. What I want to do is I want to put this image here, which is 2 free websites. I want to put that into a widget on my sidebar. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to look into adding an image or adding a media into my program. And I'm just going to put down here, I'm just going to put here 2 free websites. Just that way I can reference it and I know what it is in my future. Because what I'm going to show you is how to do that. So under the visual part of my WordPress, I'm going to add a media picture into here. And the media picture I'm going to upload. I'm going to select my file. And the file I got that from, like I said, was my business file. And it was my 2 free websites right here, the Cool Text one. So I'm going to double click on that and see how it just loaded in there. Here it is right here. And I'm going to add it into my page. Here it is, it's right here. I can put that anywhere I want on the page, whether I want it in the center, because what I'm finding is if you put it in the center, if you center it here, it actually works a little bit better. And you can adjust the size as big as you want or as small as you want. It's totally up to you, however you feel comfortable with whatever size you want to put into your widget. I suggest experimenting a little bit with it, see what works and what doesn't work. What I'm finding, what I have found in most of these, is if your width is somewhere between 250 and 350, seems to be some of the better ones that are working out there. So I'm going to change this one here down to 3. I'm going to put it at 300. That way they're right in the middle. And so it's going to be 300 by 50. Okay, and I'm going to update that. And there's my widget is right there. And I want to make this clickable once I put it in. Here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this picture. I'm going to add that link. And the link I want to add, like I said, is the 2 free videos right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over to here. I'm going to add that as my link. So I'm going to paste that in there. And what I want to do is I want to open it in a separate page, and I want to open it right on my website, because that way it takes people away from your website. You don't want to do that. You want to keep people on your website. So what you want to do is send them to a different page. And that way they can go back to your website if they want. It makes it a little easier for the people who are visiting your website. And so what I'm going to do is I'm adding that link. So I basically just added that link into this picture I had. And what I want to do too is I go next, I'm going to change this over to text, which text is going to create an HTML format. So here's my HTML format that I'm looking for. So once I get this, I'm going to copy that, and before you go anywhere, make sure you save this, just in case something goes wrong, you made an error, you forget a step. So just save a draft. Don't publish it yet, just save a draft. But again, take that entire HTML code, copy it. Now go over into your widgets. Once you're into your widgets, what you want to do is take a text tab, one of these text tabs, and move it up into your sidebar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on top now, just so it's right there on the top, so you can see what it looks like. That HTML code, I'm going to put it into that text. That HTML code that I just copied, I'm going to paste it into my text. Very important step right here, make sure you save it. If you don't save it, it's not going to come up on your page. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how this looks, and then I'll show you in a minute whether or not it worked. I go back to my website, Affiliate Incomes, and there it is. That's the one I just created for you. That's 300, and see how it's right in. It looks pretty. It's even with everything else here. Shut my video off here for a minute. Shut that video off because it's annoying and I don't want to do that to distract you. And you see how I made it so it's the color coordination between my header and my widget here. Kind of gives you that relevance that whatever's in here or behind here, it's got something to do with your website. So like I said, I'm having it go to my link here in Wealthy Affiliate, but in order to test that, I have to log out of my Wealthy Affiliate just so we know this is going to work. And to be safe, what I'm going to do also, I'm going to completely close out of Wealthy Affiliate so that the only one I'm in is my Wealthy Incomes. Okay, or excuse me, my Affiliate Incomes. While I'm here, and we just put this widget in here, or this custom widget we made with our HTML code, and what I'm doing is I'm going to be making that sign up page. I'm going to bring people to that sign up page from my Wealthy Affiliate. If I just tap on that right now, what happens? It goes right to the Wealthy Affiliate page that it's created by me. Okay? So once people sign into there to fill out their name and everything like that, I'm going to go to the members login, and it brings you right to your Wealthy Affiliate login. All your information is right there for Wealthy Affiliate. So that was a quick tutorial on how to make yourself a custom widget. And this widget can be anything you want. Okay, you can make any kind of picture you want. Let me go back to the dashboard here, and like I said, I like to put them on the pages, because what happens if I put it on pages? See right here, it's listed. It tells you this is the one we just made. Okay, if we want to make another one, make it something. Let's just say we want to do something really completely out of the ordinary, and I'm just going to put here. How about if I do this? Granny pick. Okay, and I want to show you the picture I want to put here, and I'm going to go back into my business thing again, into my upload files. Okay, and I have a picture right here I kind of thought was funny, and we're going to take this picture and we're going to make that one of our widgets, and we're going to put it right below the free websites. See how little granny's there? I'm going to insert the picture. It comes up as an HTML code. Again, if you want to see the visual of it, which there it is, and there's the HTML code of it. So copy that HTML code. Copy it. I just did. Copy that. Go into your widgets. And this picture is going to be pretty big when I put it up there. I'll show you how we can fix that too. So we take this, the text, because we want the text, because we want the HTML code. Put the HTML code in there. And look at the size of this picture. It's going to be pretty big, 1300 by 792. And if we save that, watch what happens. See that? It automatically put the picture the right size the way we wanted it. It's right there where we want it. But we want to kind of close up that gap a little bit. I'm going to show you a little trick here, because we have these both on two separate ones, and there's a little bit of a gap here between these two. I'm going to show you a little trick we can do to actually close that gap in. I'm going to go back to our widgets, and these are our two texts right here. We have the Granny one right here, and then we have the two free websites right here. So we highlight and copy that two free websites one, and put it right underneath this HTML code. So you have two separate ones here, and then save that. And then I'm going to take this HTML code, I'm going to delete it completely, get it right out of there. Now, those two HTML codes we just created in our pages are both right here. If we go over to our website, watch what happened. Takes a minute. See how I closed up that gap? It all looks like it's in one whole thing. So even if I touch on Granny, nothing's going to happen. But if I have to touch on this, I'm going to have to fix that, because that automatically coming on gets annoying at times when I'm trying to teach you people this. Nothing's going to happen when I click on Granny. But when I click on the free websites, what happens? Right to our Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so I hope this tutorial, this quick tutorial on how to make custom widgets for your website, actually helps you out a little bit. And all it is you don't have to get any special programs or anything, because you've already got the WordPress program in whatever website you're creating here within Wealthy Affiliate. It just kind of makes things a little easier, kind of gives you a little bit more personality, and it kind of makes you connect a little bit more with your customers. Again, my name's Ken Sagendorf from Affiliate Incomes. Have yourself a great day.